this is our finished result of our garlic Bloomin' bread. Had the jalapeno peppers on there, and man, it opened up like a flower, didn't it? I gotta think it's open up, huh? Well, it sure did. Bread. And I like this bread. It's a real good, it's an Italian roll. And I love this bread. And I'm pretty sure you will like it too if you find it. But it was marked down to $1.49 at my local store, Piggly Wiggly, and I go all over, And I love this. It's La Bar Bakery. So I got this. And then I'm going to undo it and show you how you do the Bloomin' garlic bread. Now we did the Bloomin' onions. That was pretty fun. So now we're going to do a Bloomin' garlic bread for you. Okay, what we're going to do is put this on this foil paper like this. Put it like this. And we're going to kind of double it like that so we can fold it real good. Just like this. We're going to make it like that so we can fold it over so we have enough width on there. And I'm going to be right back and show you how to cut it. Alright, what we're going to do now, I'm going to scald the bread. So I already cut it that way to make the video not so long. I'm going to go this way and cut it like this. It's going to be kind of difficult, but you're going to have to just cut it down. Not all the way down to the bottom of the bread. Just maybe halfway to the bread. You want to kind of halfway. You want this called scoring. Like you score a ham. Well, you're scoring this bread because it's going to be garlic Bloomin' bread. Cheesy bread with cheese on it, y'all. Going to cut it this way. Just like this, like you scoring a ham. Okay. Just like this. When you get to that part, just kind of push down in there. Then this is going to be kind of difficult right here. But just cut as you can. Just like that. Okay. And we're going to see if we can open it up. See? You can open it up that way. That's how you open it up. Like that. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to use three different kinds of cheese. I'm going to use this pepper jack cheese. I like pepper jack cheese. I'm going to move this to the side. I like pepper jack cheese, and I'm going to see if I can cut this pepper jack cheese just like this. I'm going to cut some strips, and then we'll be right back with the strips, and we'll show you how we do this, because I don't even want to sit up here and see me cut these strips. So we'll be right back. All right, what we're going to do now is insert in these little grooves here some of this cheese. It's jack cheese. We're going to slide it in there like that, just maybe every other one. Slide it in there like that, and as the bread get hot, it will melt the cheese. So I'm going to push it in there. Make sure you don't tear your bread like I'm doing. Try to get it in there like that. All the way down to the bottom. That's a long one, so we can take heat. Let's see, we'll cut that. I'm going to insert all these inside. As many as we can. I like a lot of cheese in this bread. It's really good, y'all. Serve your guests. Like when they come over for barbecue, you put this on the table. Let them pull this bread to go with their barbecue and everything. Ooh, that'd be so good, You can use this bread as appetizer when you're having a big crowd of people over. You can put that bread out. They're going to say, where you get this bread at? So I got it from Sandra. She always doing something different. Okay, we got this all stuffed. Let's see, in different places. I love jack cheese. I love it. It's really good. I like it in most dishes I cook. Okay, now what we're going to do now is we're going to use some mozzarella and provolone cheese. Yes, from Borden's. So we're going to do the same thing, but this is going to be fun. It's going to be just more easy to do than sticking the cheese in there. Sticking the other cheese in. We're just going to lay it out like this. Just open it up real good. Let it fall in there. Ooh, y'all, this is going to be so good. Y'all going to love this. Okay? Okay, after we do this, we'll be right back and show you how to do the rest. Alright, make sure you have all the cheese in those grooves, y'all. Make sure you have them in there because that's what's going to make the bread really good. Putting all that cheese in there. Now, I use maybe a half a bag, but I'm going to add a little bit more after it gets kind of melted. So what I'm going to do now is add some shredded chicken. I'm going to add some shredded chicken inside just like this, y'all. You didn't know chicken going to be in it, huh? We're going to put some chicken, shredded chicken, inside a shredded chicken breast. Now, we got leftover chicken, like I had some Kentucky Fried Chicken this week, and I didn't eat all of it, so I saved the breast for this purpose, see? You can always do things with other pieces of leftover meal, okay? Okay, we're going to make sure that's inside. Now, be careful that you don't mess up your little sections here because that's what's going to give you off the appetizer. The little section here like this. Okay, we got that like that in there. We got the cheese, we got the chicken in there, and make sure it's in there. And what we're going to do now is get some butter. This is melted butter with parsley flakes. And I'm going to add a little rosemary to it. I like rosemary in bread. Just a little rosemary, not too much. And then we're going to add a little poppy seeds. Just a little poppy seeds. Not that much. Just a little poppy seed. Just like that. Smells good already, y'all. And we're going to add some garlic. Now, you put much garlic if you want. And I'm going to put about this much in mine. Y'all can put what y'all want, y'all. Okay, I'm going to put that much of mine. Like that. And then I'm going to drizzle this all over this. And I hope it can get all in the grooves. Just like this. It's all over like that. Because when that cook is going to kind of open up a little bit. This garlic butter and everything. I got it all melted. So we got it like this, y'all. We're almost ready to put this in the oven. Okay. So we're going to put all that garlic like that. If you like garlic, you know, put as much as you want on your garlic. On your bread, I'm sorry. Okay, we're going to try to open it up a little bit like that. Just open it up. This is a job, y'all, but it's a rewarding job. Excuse me, can't talk this morning. Okay. And then I'm going to put some jalapeno peppers on mine. Yes, indeed. I'm going to put some on mine. And a lot of people might not like jalapenos, but I'm going to put some jalapeno peppers on this. They can take it off. If you don't like them, don't put it on. But if you like them, put it on there. Look at these jalapenos, y'all. Okay. Put these jalapenos on there like that. Maybe not too many, y'all. Maybe one more. Okay. And then what we're going to do now is going to wrap this up. So we're going to wrap this up just like a little tent. Put some of this still on the side. So we're going to make sure we got it on top of here like that. Now, you can put a little parsley, not parsley, but you can put a little paprika on top to give it a little color. So, my paprika probably is in another section. So, we'll be right back and let you see what that look like. Okay, we're going to put some paprika on top, just like this, just a little, to give it a little color. Just a little. like that. That's paprika. See if you can see that. Paprika, okay? And then we're gonna put this in the oven, wrap it for about 10 minutes like this. Like that. So we're gonna get my microphone out of the way. We're gonna wrap this up about 10 minutes. This way, y'all. And we're gonna bake it about 10 minutes, and we're gonna bake it again for about 15 minutes with the cheese on top. Be right back and let's see what it look like. All right, we got it all wrapped up. So we're gonna put it in the oven in a pan, in one of those cooking sheet pans, and we're gonna put it in the oven at 350 for about 10 minutes. And then after 10 minutes, we're gonna open it up and we're gonna put some more cheese on it and let it bake without the aluminum foil. We'll be right back and let you see how that looks. Right, after the 10 minutes, it opened up a little bit, and I add some more mozzarella and provolone cheese on top. And we're gonna put it back in the oven and let it cook another 15 minutes, and it'll be ready to serve. Look at my jalapeno pepper on there, y'all. Ooh! So we're gonna do another 15 minutes. I just want to let you see how it looks when it's cooked at 10 minutes with the aluminum foil over it. Okay.